Hey traders, Andy Demi here from the London Trading Institute. So today's video is going to be all about Bitcoin. It's been a little while to jump on YouTube and do a Bitcoin price prediction, but I'm seeing some really good signs. I want to go through what I'm seeing and break down exactly what I think might be about to happen. So if you're new to our channel, guys, do make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And if you're enjoying our content, then please like our videos because it helps us get it out to more people. Okay, with that all being said, guys, I'm going to go straight into the charts and we're going to speak about the weekly chart to begin with. And I want to share with you what I'm basically seeing from a technical point of view, which I think is really, really important. Okay, so there's kind of been talk of, whether Bitcoin's going to go down to 20,000, whether, it could even go lower, right? A lot of people now are starting to believe it could go lower. However, I'm seeing a quite important signal right now on this chart, and it's the following. The first thing is I really like what's happening here in terms of price action. Now, I've kind of seen this type of price action before, and this really does feel like a morning star to me right now. Okay, so you kind of had these push down, rejection. It tries to go, it doesn't quite go, and it just feels like we're going to kind of rally and create that morning star. Now, the other bullish signal that I've got is the following. I really, really like the fact that we have actually taken out these lows, because that is a very institutional type of play. And as we know, there's a lot more institutions now involved in Bitcoin. And typically what this is called is a liquidity play. So let me explain. Well, typically, if somebody was to buy Bitcoin and place a stop, well, you might kind of imagine that the stop is going to go behind a swing low. And you can see that, therefore, there would be really nice liquidity right here. So if you think about it, if somebody has bought Bitcoin and they place a sell stop, in other words, they're selling. If somebody like a big institution wants to buy Bitcoin for cheap, well, they know there's going to be liquidity just below these lows. So what do? Push the market lower, start to buy cheaply, take out these sell stops, and then eventually the market reverses. Now, if you have a look back, there isn't really another liquidity play here. Okay, so if institutions wanted to acquire, well, I guess what would have to happen here is you get a rally, you get a few people jumping in late, placing their stops below this low, and then there'd have to be another push down to take out that low. Right now, it really does make sense that Bitcoin goes up. Okay, that's not to say that it's going to go up and take out these highs immediately. Bear in mind, there could be another liquidity play up here, right? This is another swing high. So if the market, if there wanted to be another liquidity play on the short side, again, the market would rally, take out this high here around 48,000, go a little bit higher, maybe go hit that 50 or 52,000 area, maybe even take out these highs out here, and then potentially reverse again and potentially take out the lows again that way. Okay, so just have that in mind. Right now, it looks to me that we are primed to go up, and we also are on this really nice angle line that has held in the past here, which I've identified in a previous video. So I really like this. So I've actually bought some Bitcoin. Now, I'm buying for the long term. I'm also trading it as well, but I'm buying for the long term. If I'm wrong and the market does indeed go lower, well, I'm not going to be that disappointed, if I'm being honest, because I'm not kind of going all in here, right? I am accumulating Bitcoin where I think there is value. Now, there's a fair chance that we do go up here, but there's also some chance that we go lower, right? And we go maybe towards this 20,000 area, in which case I'm going to be looking to buy more for sure at this price point. And you can see this is, one of those old high points that we had, back in 2018, before, a lot of people bought up here and then the market went down. We went into this big bear market for a couple of years. And then eventually we went much higher. Okay. So, that there could become a very nice additional buy zone right there. Okay, if we were to go lower, but right now I'm not really worrying about that or focused on that. I'm really liking this idea here. Take out the lows, nice liquidity play, and then push higher. And then I would be saying, like, look, if you are somebody who wants to value invest and buy at cheaper prices, well, what you could do is, if the market did indeed rally and kind of get to this kind of area here, then you could start to look to take some profit here and then look for a potential another pullback as well. Okay, so that's the way that you can play it. So that's really what I wanted to share today. I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Bitcoin on a higher time frame. Remember, we are looking at a weekly chart, and this can take a little bit of time. But the fact that we are taking our time here, that's a good sign as well that the market is really holding up. So the buyers are really pushing this market higher. They're keeping it higher. So it looks, I'm just kind of really waiting for this market to pop, if I'm being honest. Let's see, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you agree, or do you think we are going to go lower from here and go towards that 20,000 area. Have a good day. Good trading. Please like our video if you enjoyed that piece. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you can get future updates. Take care, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.